Have you ever needed power at your off-grid cabin or backup at your house or a cabin? Well, I have the solution for you. Or you're working around your property and you just need power. Well, I have the solution for you because I've yet to find a cord that plugs into a tree. Or if you're camping or living in your RV and you need power, I have the solution for you. This is the Bluetti Elite 300 2400 watt and a 3014.4 watt hour power station. On the right hand side you have 4 110 plugins, and up on top you have an RV plug-in. This allows you to use everything in your RV. Game changer. Now, you also have your USB-Cs and A's for charging smaller items. Let's move over to the left hand side where we have our regular solar input on the bottom, and then we have a 12 volt 30 amp designed for diesel heaters and other things compatible. And on the top you have your basic 12 volt 10 amp plug-in. So this unit's just over 3 kilowatt hours of capacity, which is a big step up from your typical 2 kilowatt systems. It basically means you can run things like fridges, lights, and Starlink a lot longer without worrying about power. And with this 2400 watt continuous output plus your extra surge, when things kick on, it handles pretty much anything I'd normally use. So the size of this unit is very compact and very manageable. Really do enjoy it, and it's been working great for me so far. And on the side here you have your AC plug-in if you need to charge from an AC outlet. Also, I've paired this up with Bluetti's brand new 500 watt solar panel. It has been running my shop flawlessly for over a month. Big thanks to Bluetti for sharing this unit with me. I truly do appreciate it. Alright guys, if you're in the market for a power station, I truly recommend this. It's been powering my shop and all my tools for the last month. And I really appreciate Bluetti sending me this with those 500 watt solar panels, which you'll see in a second. Thanks to Bluetti for sponsoring this property. It means a lot. And don't forget to tune in to this Friday's video. It is awesome. We'll see you Friday.